Kia ora and welcome to the step-by-step tutorial on how to reset your Te Ara student portal password. Step 1. Search up wānanga.com in your chosen web browser. This will open the Te Wānanga Raukawa website. Step 2. Click on Te Ara. Step 3. Click on Sign In. Step 4. Click on Forgot Your Password. Step 5. Enter the email that you used to register your Te Ara student portal with and press Send. You will be sent an email with instructions on how to reset your password. Your username will also be included in the email. Step 6. Open the email and click on Reset Password or copy and paste the link below into your chosen web browser. Step 7. Enter your new password and then re-enter it to confirm. Click Reset. Step 8. Your password has now been reset. Click Sign In to sign in using your new password. You have now reset your Te Ara student portal password. Ka rawe. If you have any questions or require information about resetting your password, please email te tomonga@twr-otaki.ac.nz or call 0800 9262 642 and ask for Te Tomonga.